If your workout feels like a chore, you're missing out on Shaolin Kung Fu. Originating from the legendary Shaolin Temple in China, Shaolin Kung Fu is more than just a martial art. It's a journey of discipline, strength, and self-discovery. Imagine mastering powerful kicks, precise strikes, and acrobatic moves, all while building inner peace and focus. First, find a qualified instructor. A good teacher will guide you through the basics, ensuring you build a solid foundation. Next, commit to regular practice. Shaolin Kung Fu demands dedication, but the rewards are worth it. Training includes stretching, stances, punches, and kicks. These aren't just physical drills. They're lessons in patience and perseverance. Remember, progress isn't overnight. Embrace the process and celebrate small victories along the way. And it's not just about combat. Meditation and breathing exercises are crucial parts of the training, helping you develop mental clarity and resilience. So, are you ready to embark on this incredible journey? Dive into Shaolin Kung Fu today and unlock your true potential. The path to mastery begins with a single step.